going to make a spreadsheet based off the Battlegrounds Tigers score. Now, the one that I've made here is for soccer. The one that you're going to make is for basketball. Let's just take a look at the assignment. We're going to learn about the basic formulas. Those are going to be the sum, the average, the maximum, the minimum, and the count. I have all the definitions right here. Now, these are important pieces of information for people who are looking at your data set to see, like, what is the highest number? What is the lowest number? Now, our data sets are small, but we're learning how to use them. So I have the link here. This is for the freshman basketball schedule. That's right here. This is from last year. All right, so there are all the points. In my example, I'm actually going to use the Battleground Tigers soccer, just so that my numbers are a little bit different than yours. Here is my final product, my example. I'll post that up. The very first thing you'll see is that I actually do a screenshot because I don't want to be clicking back and forth between the tabs. When you get up the link, go ahead and you can hit Control- to zoom out a little bit, and then do your Windows Shift S. You might not be able to see this, but I'm catching a screenshot of the game so that I can see it. So in your assignment, I will have a untitled spreadsheet. You can click on that to do your work. Let's just dive in here. I'll show you how to solve for this. So we have our title, Battleground Tigers. We have the game. So I wrote the name of the high school on the side and the score here. Now this will take a little bit of time, but you'll look here at your screenshot. So I clicked here and I hit Control-V to post my screenshot. Here's the one of the basketball. That way it's easy to see. So we're going to title it Battleground Tigers, game and score. So the game will be Kelso was the first one. And then for basketball, it's important to look. It was a loss. They lost. So we'll have to take the score that's lower, right? Because they got 37 points. But if it's a win against Evergreen, then that was 49 points. So you do need to be careful when you're looking through them. So go ahead and you can list them here and the scores here. Now let me show you how to do this portion. So I'm going to cut this, Control-X. I'm going to pop it down here so it's out of the way. Now, you're going to write sum, average, maximum, minimum, and count. These are our 5 values, basic functions we're trying to do. Now, there are 2 ways to do this. Now, let me show you. You can hit equals, and then type equals, then type in sum, parentheses, open, highlight everything you want, close the parentheses, and then hit enter. The sum is 11. Do the same here. We could also use the cheat, which is this one. We can click average, and then we can highlight it there. Easy, enter. You always have to hit enter when you're done. So for maximum, we're going to click here, max, highlight them again, and we get 3, and minimum. Click here, let's take minimum, capture them all here, enter, and finally, let's do count. There we go. And now when you have these down here, that is the table that we're looking for. Go ahead, you can highlight them and click a bold. And there you go. There you have all of the data points for the basketball. Well, this is for the soccer team. You'll do it for the basketball team for Battleground Tigers. Good luck.